Ali. So Tollywood టపాస్ నాతో పాటు ఉన్నారు పాయల్ రాజ్పుత్. మాట్లాడదాం ఇప్పటివరకు తన కెరీర్ కి సంబంధించిన విషయాలన్నీ కూడా తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ రాజ్పుత్, హౌ ఆర్ యు?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్. మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
నేను బాగున్నాను.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం టు ఎవ్రీవన్.
హ్యాపీ దివాళీ.
హ్యాపీ దివాళీ టు యూ టూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో జనరల్గా అంటే ఇంకా నార్త్లో సెలబ్రేషన్స్ చాలా రేంజ్లో ఉంటాయి, హైలో. So how you used to celebrate year
see, every year I make sure that I should go to my home to meet my parents, but this time I think my movie is on release, so I wouldn't be able to do that, but I'm missing my parents right now badly.
Okay.
So yeah, I think this time it'll be more fun, I'm sure, just because I'm going to celebrate this Diwali with my team, with Allu Arjun sir, with Allu Arvind sir, so chala excited ga undi.
Okay. So enti shootings anni start అయిపోయాయి కదా?
Finally, thank God. I mean, I was feeling really caged, and I'll tell you one thing. I mean, this lockdown was such a harassment for each and everyone. I mean, you know, it turned entire nation upside down, and it was quite difficult phase for each one of us. And you know, everyone can relate to that. So now we are out of we're not completely out of that, but at least people have resumed work, which is really good in a way. And now we started shooting. I think for last month only I resumed my shoot, and we just finished this shoot within 16 to 17 days, taking all precautionary measures. And yeah, we are all set to release our movie.
Yes. Before going to the other questions, Diwali anagane, what comes first in your mind?
Diwali? Yeah. Sweets. I really want to indulge in that. Yeah, I love sweets, but right now I am kunjam on diet. So my dietitian told me not to take a lot of sweets in one go. You can just take it like, you know, in a moderation. So yeah, sweets, lights, and especially love from my mom. So I'm missing her badly right now. So I'll call her and please come to Hyderabad if possible.
Sweets anni teeskoni vachesi.
I love sweets.
Okay. So crackers avani kalchadam gaani avani chinnappudu?
No. I really believe in noise-free Diwali, and I request everyone out there, please go noise, don't burn crackers, because it's really not good for environment, and it's affecting everybody in a way, you know.
Yeah. So in that intro lo ni cheppinatlu Tollywood tapas. Tollywood tapas in the sense it's a cracker. Bomb or something.
It's Tollywood tapas. Oh, nice word.
Yeah. సో అంటే మీరు RX100 ఆ సినిమాతో ఎంట్రీ ఇవ్వగానే ఓకే ఇట్ లైక్ ఇట్స్ ఎ బాంబ్ బ్లాస్ట్, అంత హ్యూజ్ సక్సెస్ యూ గాట్.
yes
సో అప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు హౌ వాజ్ ఇట్?
It has been a very beautiful journey so far. I have enjoyed every bit of it. See, for last 6-7 years I've been struggling, and today also I call myself as a struggler only, because every day you have to go, you have to present yourself, and afterwards only you get a work. It's a showbiz. So I'll say it has been a very amazing journey so far, and I feel kind of blessed in a way, because whatever I have desired for myself, or whatever I had sort of aims, they are getting accomplished. So yeah, I'm quite happy and content.
Okay. So RX100 or range hit.
Yes.
So tarvata a graph down ayinda ante what do you say?
I don't think that way. See, I don't take that fame or stardom part very seriously in my head, because once I'll start taking that sort of thing in my mind, I'm sure I'm going to plunge into depression. So see, I'm an actor and I'm assigned to do a certain job, which I'm doing, and I try my level best to give my 100%, more than 100%, and it's completely up to our audience, completely here. If it's written here, nobody can change that. So I did my job, I did my best. If people are unable to receive in the same manner, that's really not my thing, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, sometimes it disturbs me, but otherwise I don't see it. I mean, I come from a very different thought of school. So I just think, just do your best, give your best, do good contents, good movies, good stories, so that you can inspire people in some or the other way. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm enjoying my journey.
Your work.
Yes,
also.
I'm completely.
ఓకే. సో మీ కెరియర్ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి చూస్తే అంటే ఇట్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ సీరియల్స్.
yes
అక్కడి నుంచి నా టాలీవుడ్లో సో డూయింగ్ సో మెనీ ఫిల్మ్స్. సో ఇదంతా ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఏ అందరికీ డ్రీమ్స్ ఉంటాయి, డ్రీమ్ కేమ్ ట్రూ అంతేనా టు యూ?
Completely. I started my career with serials. My first one was Aakhir Bahu Bhi To Beti Hai on Sahara One. I did that show for at least 6 to 7 months. Though television is quite a loud medium, but I'll tell you one thing, from television I got to learn plenty and plethora of things. I mean, my directors used to call me initially, Payal, you're such a bad actor,
Is it?
It actually happened in my life. They used to call me, this girl, this girl doesn't know how to take light properly, how to deliver these many dialogues and all. I agree with that. I actually,
and that is quite difficult, no, compared to with movies and all. Serials is.
Serials, like I told you, this medium is kunjam loud ga undi. I mean, there you have to show like nahi, nahi, nahi. Like if you have to say nahi, then you have to take the three, angles. Yeah. So it was something like that. But in movies, I enjoy more.
Okay.
Love for both of them is like kind of same only. But yes, I love movies more just because here you get to experiment a lot. You can be yourself at the same time. You don't have to go that loud. Nahi. It's like nahi. So
simple.
That's simple and good, and people connect to this medium a lot.
Yeah.
Nowadays, like people are more inclined towards OTT platforms, and they are so. Our audience have become so welcoming. I mean, they really want to explore good content, new stories, and different kind of genre. So I'm in that kind. Like I'm really relieved, Yeah.
And you were talking about OTT, right?
Yeah.
And you
I am doing debut. This is my debut on OTT
going to
platform.
talk about it. Yeah.
Yes.
So general ga Payal anagane complete ga glamour girl illa undada nunchi.
Do you actually think so?
Of course, yeah. We have seen your movies.
I know.
We have seen yours. Just too hot.
So you know what? I didn't know any better. The way they styled me, the way they told me to deliver dialogues, the way they have given me those characters, I just played it all with my heart. That's it. That is the other thing that they have given me, like, you're looking sexy, you're looking this, that. I don't know. I don't find myself sexy at all. Not at all.
Is it?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm kind of.
They all giving you that.
Right now I'm wearing a sari, and the way I'm sitting, I'm like,
see, I'm also looking this way.
Seriously.
No. Yeah.
So, but
it's handling that movie so well, no?
I welcome all appreciations. Thank you so much. Chala thanks ka. Andarki thanks Shefali.
Yeah. So మీరు అంటే ఆ గ్లామర్ గర్ల్ అనే దాని నుంచి నేను ఐ హావ్ సీన్ దట్ ట్రైలర్ ఇన్ ఆహా మీది నెక్స్ట్ రిలీజ్ కాబోయే
అనగనగా ఓ అతిథి.
సో కంప్లీట్లీ డిఫరెంట్ రోల్ దిస్ టైమ్.
ట్రూ.
దిస్ టైమ్ అంటే మిగతా మీరు జనరల్గా చెప్తూ వచ్చారు ఈసారి నేను వేరే సినిమాతో వస్తున్నాను, నాట్ సంథింగ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు గ్లామర్ లైక్ RX100 అలా చెప్తున్నప్పటికీ కూడా ఇట్ క్వైట్ సిమిలర్ టు like RX100 movies లాగానే అనిపించినప్పటికీ దిస్ టైమ్ యు ఆర్ కమింగ్ కంప్లీట్లీ న్యూ లుక్. You only dubbed, no?
No. I'll tell you one thing. Like yesterday only our teaser got released.
Okay. And it's really good.
So it has got tremendous response, and it is very well received by our audience. And AHA platform, Trend Loud, and especially Arvind sir, they are quite happy with the result. I mean, what we thought and what we are getting is like magnanimous. So yeah, we are really happy with that. And if I talk about this movie, Anganga O Atithi, it's a remake of a Kannada movie called Akkad Ratri. I don't know how to pronounce it properly.
Okay.
Akkad Ratri or Akkadar Ratri, something like that.
Maybe.
Yeah. It's like that. Sorry, guys. So yeah, we are going to remake it.
Okay.
And we are done with it. And it's a beautiful concept, beautiful. Dark. I can't explain that genre actually. It's an intense thriller. And trailer chusara.
Okay, yeah, I've seen the trailer.
Yeah, it's completely different. And yesterday I was completely engrossed.
And it's little de-glamour role also?
It's completely de-glam. I'll tell you one thing, whenever I go on the sets for commercial movies or whatsoever I'm shooting for, I always take 1 to 1.5 hours to get ready, all my hair, makeup, costumes. For this particular movie, hardly I have taken 15 to 17 minutes.
Okay.
To get dressed up.
So simple,
that's it.
So
I enjoyed it thoroughly, and this particular role is so close to my heart. If I talk
What way?
about very close to my, like just in 15-17 seconds you are completely into character.
Okay.
And you don't have to put
Actually,
lot of
we are completely into the character by watching the trailer also.
yeah, seriously,
Yeah.
I enjoyed every bit of it because this was something new coming on my way, and this particular movie, you know, it's making my this filmy career and everything so special. Thanks so much to Arvind sir, because he believed in me before I believed in myself. I mean, I don't know, itni courage unme aayi kahan se. He was like, pile hi karegi. So I was like quite happy. Okay, so yeah.
అంటే నిజంగానే అంటే మీరు ఇలాంటివి కూడా చేయగలరు అంటే ఇప్పటివరకు చేసిన సినిమాల్లో ఇలాంటి రోల్ కూడా చేయగలమని రికగ్నైజ్ చేయడం అండ్ గివింగ్ దట్ రోల్ టు యూ ఇస్
yeah, totally. I mean, yesterday only I was completely engrossed in my phone and I was checking all the comments, you know, whatsoever was like popping out, and I have read lot many comments where people are saying, is this actually you, Payal? So I was like, I was actually commenting them like, yeah, it's me only. I mean, they were unable to recognize me in this character. So this is something really different thing coming up. And
you reached their expectations with your acting.
I hope
and
so,
with your
yeah.
work.
Initially, I was quite apprehensive. I don't know I would be able to do justice to this character or not. But eventually, with the help of my directors, Dayal sir, and with the help of this team, AHA, you know, everyone supported me so well, because in this movie, I have changed my slang also.
Okay.
Any which way, I don't know Telugu. I mean that much. Ippudu ardham avutundi complete ga.
బాగా మాట్లాడగలుగుతారు కూడా.
అయ్యో బట్ వెన్ మాట్లాడాలి కోసం ఇట్స్ చాలా యూనో కష్టంగా ఉంది. యా యా
No, you talk so well. I know it. I knew it. I've seen your interviews.
I'm feeling shy while speaking in Telugu, but anyway, so this is what happened. So everyone supported me throughout this journey. So and yeah, carry on.
Yeah,
I talk so much sometimes.
Yeah. No, that's good.
Yeah.
What was so challenging web series ki velletappudu? What was your thinking?
Nothing, yeah, nothing. It was a same process only. From day one till end, we followed the same norms. I mean, nothing was different. People are asking me, is this, you know, kind of different from movies or serials or whatsoever? No, we shot in the same manner only. The way we shoot for our movies, it was just kind of same only. For this movie, the actual challenge for me was like the slang.
Okay.
Because in Telugu, if I'm speaking Telugu, I'll be like normal. Yemandi, ippudu, you know, something like that. Here, ippudu, some sort of different slang they have given to me, and we actually maintained that throughout the movie. So that was sort of little difficult for me, because every time I have to alter that slang. I come to the normal slang, then my director is like, no, Payal, just stick to your character, idhar udhar mat jao tum. So it was like that. But yeah, this movie itself was quite challenging for me. It's really not a easy job for an actor.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Payal, నేను ట్రైలర్ చూసినప్పుడు దాంట్లో బూతులు కూడా కనపడ్డాయి. You know the meaning of that?
Bootlu means shock.
I don't know. You know the meaning of that?
Of course,
Yeah, okay.
I spoke those dialogues.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
See, you know, it's the very first thing. It's a remake
No, it's
of
slang words, I say.
Yeah, it's okay. It's completely okay, and I welcome all the appreciation. And even if people are, you know, talking something bad about this movie, I'm really okay with it. What's wrong in that? These are their opinion, and we should welcome that, right? And I told you again, like, I don't take these things in my head. I'm like okay with it. So it's not about bootlu words or bad
No,
words.
it's a slang word, actually.
It's just a slang word. Yeah, this girl, if I talk about this girl, her name is Malika, what I'm playing. She is fierce, feisty, and fearless. And I really believe in one thing, like whatever character you are doing, that reflects a part of you. Okay, so in real life, I'll say I'm kind of stubborn, and I'm kind of really, you know, strong-headed also. Yeah, whatever I feel, whatever is here, that will come on my face, and I'll talk to you bluntly. So it's like that. But anyway, it just that her character is like that she cannot keep anything in her heart. If she's feeling something good or bad about anyone, she'll speak in front of anyone. So her nature is like that. We cannot alter her nature. Her characteristics are, you know, in that way only.
Payal, అంటే దానికి రిలేటెడ్ గానే ఒక క్వశ్చన్, అంటే ఇందాక మీరు అన్నారు ఐ రీడ్ కమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఆర్ పీపుల్ హూ
Thank you so much for reading on my behalf.
no మీరు you said no చెప్పి మీ గురించి
I do
సో చూసినప్పుడు అంటే దే జడ్జ్ యూ బై ఐ మీన్ మీరు ప్లే చేస్తున్న రోల్స్ ని బట్టి పీపుల్ జడ్జ్ యూ నో, దే టాక్ నాన్సెన్స్ sometimes. So how you take all those? You ignore it or?
No, not ignorance is not there. But people say that ignorance is a bliss, but I don't believe in such quotes. But let me ask people, like, what I'd say, I'm not born with silver spoon, and I guess none of us are, right? I have come from a very middle class family where we people were struggling to get a luxurious life, and with God's grace today I have that, I own that, and thank you so much to everyone out there who supported me in my this journey. But who is going to serve me everything on platter? You tell me. I have to struggle, I have to fight for my own battle. I can't be like that, okay, I want to do this movie with Shah Rukh Khan, I want to do this with with Vijay Deverakonda or whatever. I can't say that. I have to prove myself again and again. That's why I told you in the beginning that I feel like a struggler only, back to scratch. So this is the thing, if people are trolling me for small things, and if they're saying some kind of detrimental things which is annoying me a lot, I can't do anything in that. So that's why I'm telling you my story, that I am not born with a silver spoon. I have to make my way through it. So that's it. See, I'm feeling so emotional also. But it's okay, whatever is there.
What you said is true.
Yeah, I can't win that.
సో మీరు అన్నారు నిజంగానే ఈ పాయింట్ లో ఈ రోజు ఇక్కడ ఉండడానికి చాలా స్ట్రగుల్ ఉంటుంది డెఫినెట్ గా. సో మీరు ఒకసారి సమ్ ఈవెంట్ లో ఏదో మాట్లాడుతూ కూడా ఈ రోజు RX100 చేయడానికి ఇంత హ్యూజ్ ఫాలోయింగ్ ని కానీ ఇంత సక్సెస్ ని చూడడానికి 10 years of struggle behind there సో అని చెప్తూ వచ్చారు. సో అసలు అందరూ దే ట్రై, అండ్ ఇఫ్ దే డోంట్ గెట్ ఎనీ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఆర్ సంథింగ్, సమ్ పీపుల్ విల్ లీవ్ అండ్ దే గో బ్యాక్ టు సమ్ అదర్ వర్క్స్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్.
That happens.
You really 10 years is not a short period.
I'll tell you, not exactly 10 years. You can say like struggle 7 to 8 years. I was in college when I started working. I used to do small anchoring shows just to earn my pocket money. Because my mom was like very adamant, like she was like, you are going to get only 15 to 2000 rupees only for a month, and that was very less. I have to got that recharge done, I had to eat pizza
and have makeovers and all.
Not makeovers, I'm talking about my college time. When I was in college there, my mom used to give me just $200, and that was kind of very less, for my recharge top-ups, and after that pizza. I'm crazy for pizza, so everything. So at that age only I started working. I used to do people, I still remember my friends were like, they were just coming in, huge cars, they were coming and they were sitting there, they were not doing any work. But I was the person, I used to actually ask my teachers. I did mass communication course, anchoring and everything. I did in my college time. Yes. And so there I used to work, I used to bunk my classes not to date. Instead of like, I used to go for my anchoring show just to earn something, so that my life will be quite similar to those people, because I used to feel awkward there, because I didn't have so much of money in my pockets. So that was a scene. So what happened after that, I was like, okay mom, I'm doing work, and my mom is like very supportive since beginning. She was like, okay, whatever you want to do in your life, go ahead, I am always with you. Just take care of few things, otherwise you are good to go wherever you want to go, and whatever you want to pursue in your life, we are okay with it.
సో వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ మీకు టచ్ లో ఉన్నారా ఎవరైనా? అంటే అంటే పాకెట్ మనీ కోసం స్ట్రగలింగ్ డేస్ నుంచి నౌ యు ఆర్ at this position. What they say?
It's a beautiful journey. You learn. You learn your experiences.
And it's inspiring to so many people also. People who generally trolls, comments as they
That's why I'm telling them straight away.
They should know all these things.
They should know my background before commenting or before saying anything wrong about me, which is actually going straight here and annoying me. They should know the background story, like how Payal has come up. And that's it.
Huge respect.
Thank you so much.
So ఏమంటారు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ గురించి మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం?
friends को पता नहीं क्या लगता है, how they have I don't know, they feel some kind of I don't know, this kind of discomfort between us. They don't call me. I mean, abhi recently only I just called one of my friends and I was like, hey, what's up, what are you doing? And I don't know in what tone they were talking to me. Okay, Payal, how are you? Miru yela unaro. मैं just don't call me Miru. Miru means aap in Hindi. So I just don't call me aap and just call me, you know, tu. Oye, kaisi hai? How are you doing and all. So I don't know, from my side I am really transparent. I am like this only. Even if I'll give a call to my cousin, to my sister or to my friends, I am the same. I didn't change. I don't feel any kind of you know, the change has come in me or something like that. I'm still same. I don't know, people how they are receiving me, I have no idea about it, but let me tell you, मैं वही हूँ, सेम हूँ.
Yeah, so good. So అంటే మీరు RX100 మూవీ చేసిన తర్వాత అంత ఆ లెవెల్లో ఆడియన్స్ అందరూ చూసిన తర్వాత మిమ్మల్ని అంటే తర్వాత కూడా అప్రోచ్ అయిన డైరెక్టర్స్ అందరూ కూడా కమ్స్ విత్ ద సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కంటెంట్ అండ్ రోల్స్ అలాగే వచ్చారా?
They do come with the same sort of genre and same sort of movies, but right now, see, I have the medium I have chosen for myself is cinema, to you know, to voice my expression. So here I am here to do lot many different characters and I want to portray those shades which I have experienced in my life or else I want to experience, you know, in future. So from bad to good to fiction, a lot of things are there which I really want to do. You know, so far I am really not content, and if you're coming up with the same concept, same stories, same movies, I don't think so I would be able to give my best, you know. I don't want to be like typecast myself every time. So yeah, that's the only thing. I'm looking forward for something new, challenging, you know. That'll give me a kick in the morning to go on the sets and just rock on.
Yeah. మీరన్నట్లుగానే అంటే ఇండస్ట్రీలో వన్స్ ఏదైతే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో అది స్మాల్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ నుంచి ఒక పెద్ద స్టార్ వరకు కానీ లేకపోతే పెద్ద యాక్ట్రెస్ వరకు కూడా ఏ రోల్స్ అయితే స్టార్ట్ అవుతూ వస్తాయో అవే ఎక్కువ జనరల్గా వస్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా. ఇట్ రిపీట్స్ సేమ్ రోల్స్ యా. సో తర్వాత కూడా అంటే మీరు చేసిన తర్వాత సినిమా నెక్స్ట్ సినిమా RDX Love. సో అది కూడా అంటే యు సెడ్ వేరే కంటెంట్ తో వస్తున్నాము, కొంచెం సెన్సువల్ కంటెంట్ తో మాట్లాడుతున్నాము.
In every interview they repeat the same question. I mean, I have answered so many times for this particular question that RDX didn't do well. It did well. It was not received properly by the audience and the way they promoted it.
So ultimately
that's gone other way around.
By audience only, no?
Yeah. That gone the promotion strategy, and you know, there are lot many things after the movie. Once movie is released, afterwards promotions are there. How you are doing marketing, how you are promoting a movie. Lot of things are there behind the magnanimous hit.
Yeah.
So I think something sort of went wrong. I don't know that, but yeah, my movie was actually a very beautiful content driven movie.
Yeah,
it was completely on a social cause, but anyway I'm happy. I did RDX Love. I did RX100.
Later చేసిన వెంకీ మామతో మీరు కూడా ఫుల్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ తో ఉన్నారు అవ్వాలని చెప్పి, బట్ అది కూడా అంతగా
I hardly got a few scenes to play, and I just
ఇది కూడా
my role was like very small role. I won't say it was a like just like RX100 or RDX Love. It wasn't like that. But to be part of that movie, that was an honor for me because I got something to play opposite Venki sir, and I'm huge fan of him.
Is that the only reason?
No, story.
There's no priority to do the role.
Primarily, one is of course Venki sir. Of course, Venki sir. I can't say no to sir. I mean, I've seen a lot of movies of him and I'm a huge fan of him. So yeah, with due respect, I was like, yeah, I want to do this movie.
Okay. So Payal, alage okavela oka pedda star alage vachi dantlo mee role ki priority lekapojina kuda chestara ante
ante
will you do
ante
yeah you're casting in some big banner, a big hero and all, and there's no priority to your role, or there's no importance to your role, even though you play that role for the cause of
for the sake
big
of
role and big
commercial star. Movies, big movies. I want to say again, yes. You know
and
why?
You're saying that you want to do
I want to, but the what I am thinking right now is, again I told you, it's my battle. I have to fight for my battle. Here nobody's going to come and serve me on the platter. Payal, take this and it'll be a star. No. it's a process. I want to become a star, or if I want to become a number one, like I'm not, मैं number one नहीं बनना चाहती हूँ ऐसा, it is not in my head. It's just that I want to work with lot many people right now. I've just started. It's just a beginning for me, and you know, the list is endless. So I want to work and I want to experience a lot with each and every director, actor. So you know, in that way I want to do a lot of work. See, these kind of movies, what I am doing, what I am picking right now is my personal choice. But if I've been offered a big movie with a big director or actor, which actually I'm craving for, so of course I'll go for it. Why I would say no to them? It's a disrespect for them also and for me also. So I don't want to go in that mess. I'm happy, but yeah.
So you do
one thing I'll make sure. One thing I'll make sure, I'll sit with director, and I want to, if I'm not liking about that character or what the movie, or you know, wholesome, then I better sit with the director and talk about it. Ki, sir, I'm not liking it, and I want to take it, you know, other way around, or in this way we can, you know, go ahead and proceed. So yeah, I'm really okay with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So recent Pooja Hegde comments. Have you heard about it?
What?
About novel. South India people are crave for a novel or something.
Novel?
Yeah.
Novel.
Yeah.
No, I didn't get you.
No, Pooja Hegde comments చేశారు.
Okay.
It's about audience అంతా they see ఏమంటారు అమ్మాయిల నడుము ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇదే చూసి దాన్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు ఎక్కువ అక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు అనే కమెంట్స్ తను చేశారు. కమెంట్స్ చేశారు. అంటే తర్వాత దానికి ట్రోలింగ్ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయిందంటే, దే కమ్ హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ సమ్వేర్ ఫ్రమ్ నార్త్ హియర్ అండ్ దే గెట్ సక్సెస్ హియర్, దే డూ సో మెనీ ఫిల్మ్స్, దే గెట్ గుడ్ రెమ్యునరేషన్ హియర్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, బట్ దే గో బ్యాక్ టు ద బాలీవుడ్ అండ్ కమెంట్ అబౌట్ సౌత్ ఇండియా అని చెప్పి హ్యూజ్ ట్రోలింగ్ నడిచింది.
I have no idea about it. The thing you were talking
and
to
so
me.
Many,
but
actors has also done the same thing. They worked here, they get good success here. They have seen the huge success here. They got good remuneration, and they went back to Bollywood again. They commented about South India, South film industry again. People also, audience also.
See, I am sitting here in South India. I am working here. You know, every day I'm working here, I'm getting good remuneration, I'm quite blessed in a way. People die to be here at this stage, you know that. But in South India, I'll say one thing, I don't know about other people and other actresses, I just want to say one thing, that South is way more welcoming than any other industry. If I talk about Bollywood also, see, I am here, I didn't get a single chance in Bollywood so far, and I'm really okay with it. It's not like that, but South India is way more welcoming, and they welcome you. You just come here, get trained, get good characters, good movies. So what's wrong in that? I mean, I love South, I mean, to the fullest. I don't have words to express how much I have that love for South India and South cinema and about everything in South.
Okay. Generally, any girl who speaks bold, who talks what she feels, అలా ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా people take them grantedly, no?
My mom never taught me to hide my feelings. That's the main thing. I mean, I don't know, yeah. It's my nature. I think it's something by default, I'd say. And I'm not speaking, or I'm not saying something bad about anyone. I'm not saying something detrimental that is going to harm anyone in any way. If you're feeling so, you can come up to me, and I'm ready to ask for the forgiveness also. I am somebody like that. भले ही मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ, but within I still have that, you know, kiddish and childish sort of thing in me, so which I cannot change. If people are asking me to change or alter my nature, that is really impossible, you know, for me at this age.
Acting in real life also.
Yeah, I can't act in real life also, yaar. The more you act, the more you are complicating your life, you know. On camera, any which way, every day you have to go and, you know, perform. Like if I'm sitting here and I'm trying to act, or I'm trying to, you know, just showing myself, oh my god, this is no, I really cannot do that. This is the way I am, and accept me in this way only. If you love me, then I'm sure you're gonna accept me like this only, right? So yeah, and people are loving that. People love that part of
what
me.
I'm asking is, some people take that grantedly and
nobody
talk
can
as
take,
they want. No?
Nobody can take me for granted. I'm telling you.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't let them.
Oh, fine. So recent ga Big Boss lo మీరు
yes
చేశారు. Yeah. So ఏంటి,
చూసారా?
Yeah, చూసాను.
Oh my god.
So ఏంటి, what was the reason అక్కడ దాంట్లో చేయడానికి ఏంటి మీరు చాలా రెమ్యునరేషన్ కూడా తీసుకున్నారు దానికి
అయ్యో why you are coming on my remuneration again and again?
No, I didn't come till now, no. I'm just asking.
No. It's really not like that. They called me, they called my manager and they just asked for the Bigg Boss this entry, and I was quite excited. Bigg Boss is actually one of my favorite shows. In Hindi I follow completely. Last 13 seasons I followed like a mad. If Bigg Boss is coming, like Telugu I just started following, but if in Hindi it's coming, I'll be like, mama this, mama I'm gonna beat you now. So stand up, do some work. Bigg Boss is that close to my heart. So when they called me for this Telugu one, I was like, yeah, why not, I should go there. Though I'm konjam bad ga undi at dancing, but yeah, I danced there. I had a good time with Samantha. She's such a sweetheart. I mean, she was so exhausted on the sets, like since morning she was shooting, and by the time it was it was a pack up, she was like, oh my god, I'm drained. So at the end I asked for a selfie and she was like, yeah, if I'll come. So yeah, I just met her. I had a super duper time on the sets. I danced there. I overcame my fear. So yeah, it was a great time. Why to say no?
I mean, you have a fear to dance?
I have a dance phobia.
Is it?
No, not like that. See, if people have to like,
I don't agree.
No, I am really okay. I do yoga. I'm good at workout and everything. It's just that sometimes I get lost on the stage only. I'm like standing, मेरा step गया था, ऐसा हो जाता है.
Okay.
But other than that, yeah, I enjoyed it thoroughly.
Okay. ఇంకా ఉన్న fears ఏంటి?
Fears, huh?
Fears? Like dance, ఇంకా మీరు అన్నట్టుగా.
The only fear that I have in my heart is losing my loved ones. I don't know. For some reason, sometimes you overthink and you tend to think, I don't know what. So that's the only reason. I think everyone has the same reason in their heart. Deep inside, you always feel for your loved ones, okay, we want to be with our loved ones always, and they should be like, in a good space, and they should
I think this comes from me brother miss avadam dan nunchi.
Yeah. 2 years back also I have given few interviews, like he's still missing, and what to say, I don't know, but yeah, we miss him. Hope he'll come back one day.
Yeah. Okay. So that is the only fear. I'm so sorry.
No, it's completely all right. It's completely all right. I don't want to hide anything from my fans or from anyone. He's missing, and we are still in the hope. Yeah, I just feel bad for my mom and dad. I mean, they're, I don't know. I don't want to speak about it. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay. So ఇంకా ఓటీటీలో కూడా వస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి దాని గురించి కూడా మాట్లాడదాం. సో ఆహాకి వెళ్తున్నారు. జనరలీ ప్రస్తుతానికి ప్రైమ్ అండ్ నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్ వీటితో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఆహాకి చాలా తక్కువ మంది చూసేవాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, అండ్ ఓన్లీ తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్, వెరీ ఫ్యూ ఆల్సో. సో ఏంటి ఆహాలో చూస్ చేసుకోవడానికి అలాంటి కంటెంట్ని సో తగ్గిపోతుంది చూసే వాళ్ళ వ్యూవర్షిప్ అని మీకు ఏం అనిపించలేదా?
No, I don't think in that way. I'll tell you, like, AHA is a very good platform, and it's an upcoming one.
Yeah, that's
it is indeed. So I'll say I've seen AHA before also. I have downloaded it.
I think less subscribers have AHA.
It's okay
compared to the other platforms.
It doesn't matter if the content is good, if the content is speaking volumes. You can't stop a content. If this movie is coming and if people liking this concept or this story, nobody can stop it. People gonna subscribe it, they are going to download it that day only when it's releasing. So I don't think so that is going to make any kind of difference in that. It's coming, a good content is coming, and as I told you time and again that people are way more welcoming nowadays. They're because every time
the content is good.
Now theaters are shut, what they're doing at home, they're just
people
scrolling
are across the world if the content is good.
True. And Google is there, everything, YouTube is there, they just check okay what's trending and what's so that way they proceed.
So and you're doing Tamil film also.
Tamil.
Yeah.
Love that they pronounce it like Tamil. Yeah, I'm doing it. But I don't know for what reason it's like last 2 scenes are still pending, and we are just asking for the dates. Like hero's date is not available yet. So let's see. I just want to finish it, and I really want to do a debut in Tamil also.
Okay.
Let's see. Hope for the best.
And Tamil కానీ మలయాళం కానీ చాలా మంచి కంటెంట్ తో సినిమాలు వస్తుంటాయి. So
they're serving very good content. I have seen few Malayalam movies, then Tamil any which way.
These 2 languages.
Yeah. Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, everything. So yeah, I want to be part of many languages as much as I can. do in this lifetime. In another lifetime, I'll see.
So you prastham unnat chesedi.
I told God beforehand only that in next birth also I want to become an actor only. So I'm like that.
So you're enjoying this
I love this profession. No, not celebrity. I love this profession. I love my job. See, following your passion is one thing, but getting so much of acknowledgement for your work, for your hard work is something.
Huge love from fans.
Yeah. So much of like they accepted me gracefully. What else you want in your life? Huh? Respect you are getting, fame you are getting, whatever you are asking for you are getting. What else you want in your life? That's why I don't crib about it. I'm just like, okay, I am blessed, I am good. Whatever I'm doing, I am good.
While everyone, ఎవరైనా కూడా if they get time, they watch movies, no?
They do.
Good films and all. So అలా చూసినప్పుడల్లా మీకు ఇక్కడ తమిళ్ కానీ మలయాళంలో కానీ వస్తున్నంత ఒక సాలిడ్ కంటెంట్స్ కానీ వెరీ రియలిస్టిక్ కంటెంట్స్ కానీ ఇక్కడ రావట్లేదు అని అనిపిస్తుందా? Do you feel that?
Here?
In Telugu?
Not really.
It's all commercial here. ఇలాగే అనిపిస్తుందా?
People are demanding commercial. That's why they are trying to serve commercial, right?
But as you said before, people are accepting a good content anyway.
They are doing. But in Telugu, you can see plenty of movies are there which are like if I talk about recent watch is Rangasthalam. See how Samantha has performed so brilliantly, D-glam look, and there are a lot of movies in Telugu as well. It's not like that we are going like what I'm talking about myself. I can't talk about myself. I'm just talking about like on whole Telugu cinema, how they're going and how they're pursuing. And they are quite good, yeah. I don't think so. They're only
okay, yeah. అలాగే తెలుగులో కూడా స్టార్ ని ఎక్కువ వర్షిప్ చేయడం, హీరోని ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, సో if hit comes, all credit goes to him. In the same way, if flop ఏదైనా వస్తే గనక హీరోయిన్ ని ఫ్లాప్ హీరోయిన్, they call it flop heroine, iron, like these marks and they give you that credit, that kind of credit. It's not to you, to everyone, to anyone who get flops and all. So how you see that?
I've seen few interviews of Taapsee Pannu, and she expressed her heart out, and she was like, people called her iron leg or something after few flops.
So many.
I don't know about other actresses, but I admire her a lot. So, see, nothing sort of this came, on my way. I'm really okay with it. See, I can tell you the other way around story as well. I did RX100, the whole credit. People, audience, fans, they have given to me instead of Karthikeya. Yeah, we both were there, but kind of if I'll talk about the fame thing, it came on my way. Then how would I be able to say that I'm not getting credits for my performance or appreciation for my performance? I'm getting each and everything what I aimed for just after one movie. So I don't think so. I can think something in that.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to. And I don't want to. I want to keep myself really positive.
Okay.
And out of that league.
No, I'm not talking about. Yeah. I'm talking about. It's a general question too.
It's very general. I can understand that. People do in the same way, but it's just that it's completely up to you how you're taking that, that nonsense or that shitty thing. It's completely up to an actor. If you're taking too much that heroic thing in your head, then of course you are going to suffer. Then better to do your work, what you are assigned for, and just go ahead. That's the only mantra in my life. Yeah, why to sit and crib about it? Okay, usne mujhe ye kaha, usne mujhe ye keh diya. Oh my God, no.
Okay. And Payal, ఉన్న తెలుగులో యాక్ట్ చేసే హీరోయిన్స్ కానీ వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా అంటే గ్లామర్ ఉన్న పాత్రలు మాత్రమే చేస్తున్నారు. ఐ మీన్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రోల్స్ దే కెన్ డూ, దే కాంట్ పెర్ఫార్మ్ అని చాలా మంది కమెంట్స్ చేస్తుంటారు. గ్లామర్ ఉంటే దే కెన్ మేనేజ్, ఇఫ్ నాట్ దే కాంట్ డూ ఎనీ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఓరియంటెడ్ రోల్స్ అనేది ఉన్నారు. వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ అ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఓరియంటెడ్ యాక్ట్రెసెస్ ఇన్ అవర్ ఇండస్ట్రీ అని మాట్లాడే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. వాట్ యూ సే టు దెమ్?
I think as an actor, one actor should explore as much as he or she can. And this is what I'm applying in my life as well. I really believe in this quote that you should experiment a lot as an actor. You should not stick to one character or one stereotype sort of image or one genre. You should experiment as much as you can, because this is a very short span of time you get as an actor. Like hardly you can say 10 to 15 years. Once you are like So I think you should experiment so that you can at least get rid of that tag that people are putting on you, the typecast tag they put on you if you're doing same thing again and again, and they get pissed off also. Oh my God, we have seen RX100 now. They don't want to repeat that thing. Might be they must be waiting for RX100 2 part 2, but at least not for the same genre like she's doing. So yeah, as an actor, I try to serve my audience and I try to serve my fans something different from the previous projects.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah. So some personal question. Chala mandi lockdown lo no.
Some personal question.
No. Yeah. Yeah, lockdown lo chala mandi getting married and doing yeah, so many actresses and heroes also.
Yeah. Everyone got married. Kajal recently got married. She looks so
Rana got
fab,
married, and some other people also
yes.
got married. So, what is your opinion on a marriage or relationship or something? I'm not asking you when you are going to get married. No, I never asked that question.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So, but what is your opinion on it?
I really believe in the institution of marriage. I believe in marriages.
Okay.
And one day, I want to get married, of course. I want to have kids. I want to have life of my own. And like, not right now, but yeah, after a few years, would love to do that. And marriage is something, it's a kind of bond between two people where you have to understand each other and you should have the equal respect. You can't be like, okay, you are a...
Yeah, why are you laughing, dude?
No. So yeah,
then tough question when you are going to get married and
no, I'm asking. It's a beautiful institution. Yeah. One should get married. I think I really believe in this thing.
Yeah.
So but more, I mean, once you get married, I think there's a kind of friendship bond that you have to maintain for rest of your life.
Yes.
Like lovers, initial ka unde okay, theek hai, lovers hai, they are getting this, that, blah 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 is going on. But after few years, you have to maintain that friendship bond so that life will be really easy for both of you.
And it lasts also.
It lasts also, of course.
Friendship unte ganaka.
Yes.
Linka, finally. So, what kind of roles you are expecting? What kind of genres you want to do?
After this, I would say
dream roles or something.
Dream roles.
I asked 3 questions.
It's okay. The list is actually I mean, it's endless. I want to do a lot. Still, I'll say I don't want to get complacent, to be very honest, because once I'll be content, then I wouldn't be able to deliver my best. So I want to do a lot of things. I'll send you the list. Please call all the directors and tell them Payal wants to do this. Please cast her for next movie. But yeah, my dream role, if I'll say, I want to do something like Jab We Met.
Oh.
The Chatterbox thing, something like that. And I want to do more of D-glam.
That is easy to you also, I think. You talk so well, no? Easily.
No, it's not like that. If I'm feeling comfortable with you, then I'll talk. Otherwise, I won't talk. No, otherwise,
so you're comfortable in this show, no?
I am good, yeah. I am good. I'm just talking my heart out, so I'm actually very comfortable. And after a very long time, lockdown, like 7 to 8 months after that, I'm sitting here next to you and, we are chatting. So, yeah. So dream role, come back to the question. It's Jab We Met. Have you seen that movie, Kareena Kapoor's movies? I love that. And I want to do something like Rangasthalam again.
Oh.
And something like D-glam role, no makeup on my face, and I'm going just, rustic, rowdy, fierce, feisty. So something like that.
And it adapts you, I think. Yeah.
And yes, one more movie is there, Pink.
Okay. Pink.
I want to do something like that, like female, some sort of that genre.
Okay, hope all that kind of films comes to you.
Thank you.
Do and entertain us. So again, happy Diwali to you.
Yeah, and, to you too.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thanks
for having with us today.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you. So Diwali special chit chat. Once again, happy Diwali to all.